High above Earth, a massive space station drifts silently through orbit. And in just moments, it will face one of the most dangerous incidents in the history of space exploration. This is the story of MIR, the station that changed everything. MIR was once the largest human-made structure in space, a shining symbol of engineering floating 400 kilometers above our planet. Its journey began in the late 1970s inside Soviet laboratories, where scientists imagined a space station that could support humans for years, not days. In 1986, the first module of MIR launched into space, marking the beginning of a new era. Over time, more modules were added, transforming MIR into a giant orbital complex, a true city in space. Astronauts floated through its narrow corridors, surrounded by cables, tools, and panels as they worked in zero gravity. Outside, MIR solar panels expanded like wings, capturing sunlight to power the station. Earth rotated peacefully beneath it, offering breathtaking sunrises visible through MIR's windows. Soon, MIR became a symbol of unity. After years of Cold War tension, American astronauts joined Russian cosmonauts on the station. Their handshake in space represented a new chapter of cooperation between two former rivals. Together, they conducted experiments on human biology, physics, plants, and life in microgravity, research that still benefits us today. But living on MIR wasn't easy. The station began to show signs of aging. Systems malfunctioned, electronics sparked, and power failures became more frequent. Then came the incident that nearly ended the station. A resupply spacecraft accidentally collided with MIR's Spectre module, tearing through its side. Air began leaking into space. Astronauts rushed to close the hatches, fighting to keep the station alive. In the darkness, they worked to repair damaged systems, reconnect power, and restore stability. Against all odds, MIR survived. As years passed, MIR continued orbiting Earth, glowing above city lights at night. Astronauts watched the planet from its windows, reflecting on humanity's fragile place in the universe. But eventually, the world had to make a decision. The aging station could no longer be sustained. With heavy hearts, scientists agreed to retire MIR after 15 years of groundbreaking discoveries. In 2001, MIR began its controlled descent toward Earth. As it entered the atmosphere, it turned into a streak of burning light over the Pacific Ocean, a dramatic, fiery end to one of humanity's greatest achievements. MIR may no longer orbit above us, but its legacy lives on. Every space station that came after it, especially the International Space Station, stands on the foundation MIR built. MIR was more than metal and wires. It was a testament to human courage, cooperation, and our endless desire to explore the unknown.